Hello, how are you? Welcome to my channel. My name is Pancho Brañas. I'm a flamenco drummer. Today we are going to talk about rhythms, flamenco rhythms in tangos flamencos. It's something very, very interesting. Are you ready? Yes? Go! Well, as I said before, playing drums in these tangos flamencos is something beautiful. It's a very groovy thing, and you are going to enjoy a lot doing that. It's incredible, it's amazing, this rhythm. You have many possibilities. It's crazy, believe me. We are going to talk today just in a basic way to start, which is very interesting also. And this flamenco rhythm is in 4/4. The bar is 4/4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have 1/4 note in each part. And this flamenco rhythm is based in eight notes. So you have these 2 8 notes in each part, here, and there. So this flamenco rhythm is based on this chord of 8 notes. Well, the first thing, if you want to play tangos flamencos, you need to control the clapping. Yes, remember the clapping. Okay, just a moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Now, if you see, when we are doing this clapping, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? So take this clapping and we do it on the hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in order to build this rhythm, we need to put some rules. For example, you can do everything you want on the snare drum and everything you want on the bass drum. The only thing that is fixed is the hi-hat, this hi-hat. So I'm going to tell you one thing about snare drum and 3 different variations about bass drum. Why? Because it's so many possibilities. We need to be focused in something in order to learn these tangos flamencos properly. Okay, so in this particular practice, I'm going to put the snare drum in 2, for example. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you see, I'm dancing because this is a dance rhythm. It's true. We flamenco people, we dance with this rhythm. So if you check some videos in internet, or you can see that it's very famous tangos flamencos for dancing. Okay, so you need to play this flamenco rhythm trying to do people dance. This is the thing, this is the goal. Okay, well, we come again on this rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as you see, you have some notes written here, and you need to do the bass drum that is written here in the model 1 is 1A. We are going to practice with this bass drum, which is included. This page is included in my method of rudiments flamencos. Okay, So we practice this model with 1A. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to do the model 1D. Okay, it's there also. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the model 1E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Perfect. Okay. Well, now with music. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I hope you liked this video. Subscribe and play the bell so I will be here the time you want. I love flamenco drumming. I love flamenco music. I know you can learn many things practicing flamenco. You can be much better as a drummer learning flamenco music. So I'll be here every week and next week with more and better videos. See you soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Había guardo yo. Había guardo yo.